What's going on, y'all? Back with another snacking video. This time I'm about to try these gimme seaweed snacks. And this is not just any seaweed, it's toasted sesame flavor. Let's try them out. Got it from Nature's Grocery. Try these out, y'all. See how they look in the a little shine to them. Tastes roasted. Smells roasted, I mean. Ooh, thin. Oh, shit. Might destroy it. A thin, little flaky. Say seaweed's good for you. For all my people that's grown up eating seaweed, this is for y'all. I ain't never done it. Never grown up eating. I didn't grow up eating seaweed, so I'm gonna try it out though. Man, tastes like a fish type flavor to it, like it's the skin off a salmon or something like. So seaweed good for iodine. Give you iodine and like shrimp. So not bad. Toast them. Oh, it ain't bad. I got these from Nature's Grocery. Flaky, crispy. That's the brand I got. Yeah. If y'all want to try them out. All natural. Good for you. No sugar. Need vitamins. Vitamin B. Oh. Blooper alert. Okay, dump back in. Oh man. Back in. Man, it tastes good. But there's vitamin B in it. Iodine. A little iron, potassium. Little 2 grams of fiber in it. Yeah, no cholesterol. A little salt.